In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find saved posts on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Instagram app. And once we are here at our home page, at our Instagram timeline, we can easily from here save any posts to be able to view them later. Let's say I'm gonna save that post, and here we have this bookmark icon. We can tap on it, and here it says save to collection, and in the same way we can save any post. It could be just a regular post with the text and picture, or a reel, or a landscape video on Instagram, or whatever. And then if we want to find the post we've saved, we need to go to our profile first. And then if we tap right here at these three lines, we'll find here this saved option. If we get into it, we'll be able to find all the content we've saved on Instagram, including saved audio and other content, which is called here all posts. If we get into all posts, it will allow us to filter the content by all the posts, by landscape videos, and by reels here. That's how we can easily do so, and that's how we can easily reopen back the posts we've saved. And basically, guys, that's how we can easily find them. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.